Good afternoon. It is January 27th, 2013. This is my preview for the Forex currency pairs for the upcoming week. Got my orders placed and just wanted to go over what I'm looking at for this week. Everything is in the market and just waiting to take profits. So anyways, earlier this week I took a short on the pound dollar. Right about where this arrow is, based off of this support and resistance line. And I actually just closed this short on this gap. Usually what you'll find is the gap will correct itself and then continue in that direction. So I'm going to be looking to get back in on this pair sometime this week if this gap is cleared, and possibly maybe even a test of this area up here. And I'll be looking to get back in short. But anyways, we took some profit off the table based on that gap over the weekend. So that was a nice little surprise to start the week off. But we have some orders already on the table for some other pairs, and just kind of wanted to go through some of those. The first one we got is the dollar CAD, and let's zoom out to the day charts. Actually, let's look at the 4-hour chart. What we're looking at is we're looking at a breakout of this range area. You see these blue lines here. We've had a pullback to it. The market opened, and I got an order to go long right on that blue line, and you can see my stop limit is pretty tight, and we're expecting that to continue to break. If it comes back into this range, what we'll do is we'll just quickly reverse our position. We'll get stopped out. We'll wait for it to pull back to that line, and then we'll take a short to the other side of the range. So that's the game plan on the dollar CAD. I got some pound Kiwi on the table. We are, let's see, let's zoom out to the this is good. This is my orders that I have on this pair. You can see we've kind of been bouncing along the top end of this range. Well, the longer term range is all the way up here. I really expect it to bounce back up at the support and resistance line. So we have my order just on the other side of that blue line, and my tight stop on it as well. We can zoom out and we can kind of see on the weekly chart that we're definitely within a range, and we got this double bottom that's set up here. So we're really expecting this to be our home run for the week. Again, this is the pound Kiwi. So we got an order placed on this one. Let's see, pound Kiwi at one spot 86.50, and my stop is at one spot 85.4. And so this is going to be a huge trade. If this one works out, this could be the trade of the week. This is probably the most realistic win, and we're talking about 240 pips. So that's what we're looking at on that one. We got another pair, market in. We kind of missed this one last week, and actually I had my order in just a little bit too low on this, and I missed it, unfortunately. This is the day chart, and on the pound Aussie. So we're looking for it to come back and to test this area again, and fire off to the other side of the range. So we got an order in. I don't know if this one's going to happen, but if it does, great. If it doesn't, maybe halfway through the week we'll cancel that out and look for other opportunities to invest. Okay, we got an order on the euro dollar as well. Let's zoom out. Excuse me. We had a breakout of this range. We have a longer term range. We have a shorter term range. Let me zoom out. So we're right at the top of, just poked out of this upper end. So what we're looking to do is get a pullback to this area. This is the week chart, and a continuation of that breakout. And if that doesn't happen, obviously if it comes back into this range area, then we'll get stopped out at that red order line. We got an order placed right in there. Let's get out to the day charts. If it comes back down to that green line, that's my order sitting there. That's my stop on the red line. We're looking for a pullback and continuation of this breakout. If that doesn't happen, just like the other ones, if it comes back into this range, I'll take a bounce and test of this support and resistance and go short back to the other side of the range. So that's the game plan on the dollar, or the euro dollar. And last but not least, I have one more order in the market this lovely Sunday afternoon before I can go enjoy the rest of the day, is the Aussie dollar. This one should hit this week sometime. This is a little bit higher of a risk of a trade. Zoom out. You can see we're kind of within a range for the last several weeks. This is a weekly chart. And so what we're expecting it to do to get down to this middle part of the range and get some resistance and just take a small play off of that. I'll probably, and since we're in this trend up for the week, since this part, what is this? Yeah, all the way back into September. So we've been in an uptrend since on the weekly charts. And so we're expecting to get a little bit of play off of here. We might not even get there, just because we got some confluence with this trend line, and so who knows? This is currently the day chart. But if it gets down there, this should be a pretty good trade. I don't know if I'd hold this one to the other end. I'd ride this one pretty tight, but it's a higher risk trade. But that's what I'm looking at for the week. Hopefully that helps you guys on your outlook in your forex trading, and we'll talk to you sometime during the week. Bye.